It is Super Draco 380, and we're back for stage 18 of Build the Battleship Bismarck. So first things first, we're going to bring in the parts. We get a test box, a 3-wire test cable, and then a circuit board cable which has 4 wires. Now we're not going to be using the 4-wire circuit board cable, so I'm going to set that off to the side. And so first things first, I'm going to untie it. And then this wire will plug into the right port of the tester box. The tester box has a series of buttons on it to test the various functions. That's not going to be on the final Bismarck. I think it's a remote control on the final unit, but it'll just plug into that port right there. Then we're going to take our battery box from way back in pack 1, and that's going to plug into the left port. And so then that'll just plug right into port 5 of the circuit board. And so what should happen is when I turn the power on, the gun will rotate and calibrate. And then when I press the first button, S1, that the gun is going to rotate, fire, and elevate. When I press button S2, the anchor should function. So I'm going to turn it on, and here we see the gun rotating. Now after a moment it's going to rotate back and straighten out, and then it'll be calibrated. So now that it's calibrated, I'm going to hit button number 1 and all 3 functions should work. And it is only rotating and firing. The elevation motor is not working. So I'm going to hit button number 1 and it's going to stop. So that's a problem. So button number 2 should make the anchors function. So I'm going to click that. Nothing happens. Yep, nothing's happening with the anchor. So I'm going to go back a few steps, take some stuff apart, and see what went wrong. And eventually I'll just have to cut back in because nada. And as we can see, I have the anchor connected to the test motor. So I'm going to turn that on. And the anchors are retracting. Everything is working as it should. Okay, after disassembling, I've got the motor for the elevation. Turn it on, and motor spinning. Motor test board. And my guns are elevating. As of the time of this recording, that circuit board is defective, so I've reached out to Agora and they've already got me a new circuit board en route. So once my new circuit board arrives, I will continue posting Bismarck videos. But until then, thanks for watching, and see you in 2 to 5 weeks.